Welcome to Skin Diagnostic, the most innovative skin diagnostic tool in the market. The objective of this presentation is to discuss the skin as an organ and also to explain how the skin interacts with the external world and internally as well. The skin's epidermis is made up of 5 layers of epithelial cells, with the stratum corneum being at the top of the epidermis, and the basal layer is at the bottom. And in between the basal and the epidermis, there are 3 other layers: the keratin layer, the spinosum layer, and the clear layer. The basal layer produces new cells. That's where the stem cells are anchored as well. And these cells, half of them rises to the top within a 28 period. That phase is called exfoliation. In a young skin, it is quite efficient. As we get older, it is not that efficient. It is important to exfoliate to keep the stratum corneum healthy and quite even and attractive. The epidermis contains mannan and melanocytes, which protect the skin from UV ray. However, lack of sun protection, even in darker skin, can cause the melanocyte to get damaged, which causes hyperpigmentation. The dermis is the underlying layer of the skin that gives us a youthful appearance due to the thickness of the collagen fiber within the dermis. Fibroblast cells in the papillary dermises produces collagen, which gives us this youthfulness, and I will explain how different treatments can enhance this natural mechanism in the skin for providing a youthful skin. The subcutaneous is the lower layer of the skin and acts as a protector for your internal organs. The images on the screen are representation of a compromised stratum corneum. One represents a healthy stratum corneum and the other represents a compromised stratum corneum. And what that means is the top layer of the epidermis consists of flat cells that are bound together by lipids, and these lipids prevent water and any foreign material from penetrating the upper layer of the skin, and it offers a tight barrier function where water can be let out, but foreign impurities cannot penetrate the stratum corneum. When you apply cream or lotion to the stratum corneum, it is the cells of this layer that absorbs the lotion and cream and give a temporary improvement, but very rarely can creams or lotion penetrate the thick layers of the lipid that is there to prevent foreign antigen from penetrating the skin. If the normal barrier is compromised, it means the brick and mortar structure of the stratum corneum is compromised and bacteria can penetrate the stratum corneum. This leads to dehydration and sensitivity, which is linked to inflammation of the skin. Chemical peels and derma roller are a great solution for this problem, and we will talk about these treatments later on. But the objective of this slide is just to help to explain to you why your skin is sensitive. If it is sensitive, it is because the stratum corneum and the barrier function is compromised. How does the skin age? Well, there are multiple factors, but on this slide I'll explain 2 things. First of all, as you age, the epidermis becomes less luminant because the rising tide or the rise of the cells from the basal layer to the stratum corneum is a lot slower, and exfoliation is a lot slower, and this can compromise the outer appearance of the skin. Chemical peel is the solution with skincare as maintenance for this issue of aging. Also, the dermis is impacted by aging. The dermis age because fibroblast cells in the papillary dermis they're less and less abundant, and therefore they do not produce collagen at the rate as when you are younger. And so as this process slows down, the skin looks thinner. It's not as robust and voluminous as a young skin. And a way to improve this factor of aging is to use derma roller or laser in order to stimulate the fibroblast cell and in order to produce more type 1 collagen, which gives the skin a firmer internal effect as well as external. And by using chemical peel, you can have a very luminous external, and these combination treatments are great to combat the signs of aging. In the next 3 slides, I have listed the key ingredients found in popular cosmeceutical products. Once your skin has been diagnosed, it is easy to identify great products with the key ingredients that will improve your skin health and maintain your skin for life. No longer will you have to try numerous products to see what worked, and this haphazard way of finding a true solution for your skin is imprecise. You can pause and review the key ingredients for your information. However, Dr. Hussain and Ms. Khan has worked with skincare providers for over 20 years and have identified cost-effective product which contains these ingredients as a standalone or in combination with other key ingredients to get the best outcome for a patient at a really cost-effective price. One does not have to buy expensive brands in order to see an improvement in the quality of their skin. The slide in front of you identifies 5 major key ingredients you should recognize. I've listed the ingredients for your information so that you can begin to understand why we're making the claim you need to know your skin type first, then identify the key ingredients in a product which will improve your skin. It is imprecise to just pick a branded product because someone told you it's good or you're reacting to an advertisement and you don't know if the product is right for you because you don't know your skin type and you don't know that if the key ingredients in these products will help your skin or actually make it worse, which is why you need to understand the benefit of diagnosing your skin and then developing a bespoke package that's customized for your skin type. The key ingredients discussed so far are the major ingredients used as standalone ingredients or ingredients in combination with other key ingredients to create a stellar product which will improve most cosmetic skin problems. I must point out though that skincare product alone cannot solve most aesthetic problem. In many cases, the skincare must be combined with in-clinic solution in order to create a dramatic result. The skin test can be done online, but this is being offered through a clinic so that if the clients want professional advice or have someone prescribe an optimum solution for them, they can gain access to that. So in short, once your skin is diagnosed, it is easy to find out what treatment and skincare ingredients can improve and eliminate your skin problem. The diagnosis helps the individual to take charge in their skincare maintenance program. Also, by diagnosing your skin and knowing your skin specifically, you can save a lot of money because you're not relying on brand name. Individuals can research cost-effective products containing the key ingredients their skin requires. Similarly to reviewing ingredients in food, one can investigate the ingredients in their skincare product. The brand is not what is great, but the key ingredients in the product is what makes the product great. Many high-priced products are not as effective as less costly products. By diagnosing your skin, you will get predictable results. You no longer have to waste money on skincare by listening to other people or advertisement. By knowing your skin type, you can confidently choose treatments and skincare solution which will provide effective results. Thank you for listening, and our contact information is on the screen.